Hey there! I'll be straight with you. Most camping stoves are garbage. They're either too weak, too heavy, or they break after 3 trips. But after testing over 20 different camp stoves in real camping conditions, I found the ones that'll cook your meals fast, survive years of abuse, and won't make you want to throw them off a cliff. But here's the thing, I'm calling this the 7 best portable camping stoves, but I'm actually showing you 8. Why? Because I saved the absolute best quality to price camping stove for last, and it's so ridiculously affordable that most people skip right past it. This little powerhouse costs less than a nice dinner out, but performs like stoves costing 10 times more. You'll kick yourself if you don't stick around for that reveal. From single burner camp stoves perfect for backpacking to powerful 2-burner camp stoves for family meals. I've tested them all in real camping conditions. Let's jump into the best stoves for camping right now. Starting off with the Coleman Triton 2-burner. And this thing brings 22,000 BTUs of total cooking power in a user-friendly package. This camping cooker impressed me with its wind guards that actually protect the flame and the improved knob rotation for better temperature control. The heavy-duty chrome-plated grate removes easily for cleaning, something you'll appreciate after cooking bacon and eggs. The 2 burners work independently, so you can boil water on high while keeping pancakes warm on low. During my testing, the Triton ran for about an hour on high with a single 16-ounce propane cylinder. That's enough for most camping meals without carrying extra fuel. The wind guards aren't just for show either. They kept my flame steady during a windy lakeside camping trip where other stoves were struggling. At $120, it offers solid performance for the price and has that Coleman reliability you can count on. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp sits at number 2, and honestly, it's in a league of its own. This dual burner system packs 10,000 BTUs per burner and boils a liter of water in just over 3 minutes, even when temperatures drop to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. What makes this camping gas stove special is the complete cooking system approach. You get the 2-burner Genesis stove, a 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan, and a massive 5-liter flux ring pot with strainer lid. Everything nests together perfectly, so you're not playing Tetris with your gear. During my week-long mountain camping trip last fall, this thing was a workhorse. The adjustable flame control goes from a gentle simmer for sauces to a roaring boil for pasta water. The included windscreen actually works, unlike those flimsy afterthoughts on cheaper stoves. The dual burners work with JetLink compatibility, so you can connect other compatible stoves if you're cooking for a crowd. Yes, it's expensive at around $400, but you're getting a complete outdoor kitchen that'll last for years. If you're enjoying these camping stove reviews, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss when I test gear that could save you from buying expensive junk, and definitely check out my recent video on the best camping chairs to complete your outdoor setup. Now back to our stoves. The Camp Chef Explorer takes 3rd place with its massive 30,000 BTU burners. That's 60,000 BTUs total. This portable camping stove is built like a tank and can handle anything you throw at it. I love the modular design. Those detachable legs and 3-sided windscreen make setup a breeze. And you can add Camp Chef accessories like their grill box or pizza oven. During a family reunion camping trip, we cooked breakfast for 20 people on this thing without breaking a sweat. The cooking surface fits 14-inch accessories, so you can use full-size pans and cookware. The regulator keeps the flame steady even when the propane tank gets low, something cheaper stoves struggle with. The build quality is top-notch with alloy steel construction that feels like it'll last decades. At $150, it's a solid investment for serious camp cooking where you need restaurant-level heat output. Next on our list is the Camp Chef Everest 2X, which brings serious cooking power in a more compact package. With dual 10,000 BTU burners and 215 square inches of cooking space, this propane camping stove handles most camping meals perfectly. The folding lid doubles as a windscreen, a clever design that actually works. I tested this during a windy desert camping trip, and the wind protection made a huge difference in cooking times. The compact design, 27 by 15.5 by 8.25, fits easily in most vehicles. What impressed me most was the build quality. The alloy steel construction feels solid, and after 6 months of regular use, it still looks and performs like new. The dual 10,000 BTU burners provide consistent heat that you can count on, and the folding lid windscreen isn't just a gimmick. It genuinely helps in windy conditions. At $188, it's pricier than some options, but delivers professional results in a portable package. This single burner camp stove from Chef Master packs impressive power in a tiny package. The 15,000 BTU output rivals much larger stoves, and the piezoelectric ignition lights instantly every time. I was skeptical about the double wind guard design until I used it on a blustery beach camping trip. The flame stayed steady even in 15 miles per hour winds. The built-in pressure sensor automatically shuts off gas flow if pressure gets too high, a safety feature that gives you peace of mind. The hard shell carrying case protects the stove and makes transport easy. At just 4.5 inches tall, it fits in tight camping setups where space matters. The powerful 15,000 BTU output delivers fast, efficient cooking despite the compact size, and those double wind guards aren't just marketing. They actually maintain a steady flame in challenging outdoor conditions. At around $60, it's an excellent value for solo campers or backup cooking, where you need reliable, portable power. If you're enjoying these camping stove reviews, smash that like button. It helps other campers find honest gear advice. The Coleman bottle top represents classic camping stove design done right. This single-burner gas cooker delivers 10,000 BTUs with Coleman's perfect heat technology for efficient fuel use. What sets this camping gas stove apart is the pressure regulator that maintains consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. The wind baffles actually work to shield the burner, and the space-saving design separates the burner from the propane bottle for compact storage. During my solo backpacking trips, this little stove ran for 2.5 hours on high with one 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. The 8-inch pan capacity handles most solo meals perfectly. The pressure regulator maintains consistent performance in extreme weather. Those wind baffles shield the burner from outdoor conditions. At $42, it's hard to beat for reliability and value. Classic Coleman dependability at its finest. The Grill Boss brings versatility with its dual fuel capability. It runs on both butane and propane cylinders. The 12,000 BTU output provides solid cooking power, and the automatic piezo ignition lights reliably. I appreciate the flexibility of switching between fuel types depending on availability and weight concerns. Butane canisters are lighter for backpacking, while propane cylinders offer longer burn times for car camping. The built-in safety features include an automatic gas shutoff system that activates during irregular gas flow. The compact design with hard shell carrying case makes it travel-friendly. The dual fuel compatibility works with both butane and propane cylinders. The 12,000 BTU output comes with automatic piezo ignition for reliable lighting, and those built-in safety systems include automatic gas shutoff protection. Around $60 makes this a solid choice for versatile camping cooking where fuel flexibility matters. Here's the camping stove that'll blow your mind, the Gas One GS 3400P. At just $35, this dual fuel camp cooker performs like stoves costing 3 times more. I've been using this little beast for over a year, and it's become my go-to for most camping trips. This portable camping stove works with both butane and propane, converter included, giving you fuel flexibility without breaking the bank. The automatic piezo ignition works flawlessly, no matches or lighters needed. But here's what really impressed me. The built-in safety features rival much more expensive stoves. The pressure sensor cartridge ejection system automatically ejects the butane cartridge when it detects irregular pressure. The gas flow cutoff mechanism adds another layer of protection. The compact size, 13.5 by 11 by 4.45 inches, and included carrying case make it incredibly portable. I've used this for everything from quick trail meals to elaborate car camping dinners, and it handles everything I throw at it. The dual fuel compatibility with both butane and propane gives you options at an unbeatable price. Those advanced safety systems include a pressure sensor and automatic cutoff, and the ultra-portable design with carrying case makes transport a breeze. At $35, this is hands down the best value in camping stoves. Over 13,000 Amazon reviewers agree. It's the #1 bestseller in camping grills for good reason. Your perfect camping stove depends on your specific needs and budget. For the ultimate outdoor kitchen experience, grab the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp. It's worth every penny if you cook elaborate camp meals. Need massive cooking power for group camping? The Camp Chef Explorer handles anything you can throw at it. Want something compact but capable? The Coleman bottle top never disappoints for solo adventures. But if you want the absolute best bang for your buck, don't overlook that Gas One GS 3400P. Seriously, at $35, you can buy 2 of them for less than most single stoves cost. It's become my secret weapon for reliable camp cooking. What's your biggest camping cooking challenge? Drop it in the comments. I love helping fellow campers find the right gear. If this helped you choose your next camp stove, check out my video on best camping chairs next, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest outdoor gear reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.